Hey, hello. So, how you guys doing? Today is Makar Sankranti. So, wish you guys a very happy Makar Sankranti. Do you guys know the significance of Makar Sankranti? I bet most of you does. Most of you do. As we all know, on 21st of December, the sun is on the Tropic of Cancer, that is the southern hemisphere. That is winter solstice. Northern hemisphere faces winter during this time period. Now, on this day, that is 14th of January, or during these days, the sun marks its upward movement. That is now the sun will travel to the north. North in Hindi is Uttarayan. Do you know what is the other name of Makar Sankranti? Uttarayana. That is now the sun is moving to the Uttar Disha. That is Uttarayana. Uh, it is a very beautiful festival, very auspicious festival. Farmers thank to the nature for their bountiful harvest that they had and pray to Surya Devta, that is sun god, for a better next harvest season also. So they thank to the nature. What else? Do you know, we fly kites during this season? What is the significance of flying the kite? It is nothing, just a symbol which shows that we and the other celestial bodies, that is sun, are one and the same. So if we have the courage, if we have that dedication, if we have that motive, that motivation, we can too fly and rise above all our difficulties. So it is just a metaphor. In India, you can say there are numerous different cultures and traditions that we are surrounded with. But do you know, this Makar Sankranti is not only celebrated in northern India. This Makar Sankranti is celebrated with different names in different parts of India. In Tamil Nadu, if you will go, it is celebrated under the name of Pongal. If you go in Assam, certain tribes celebrate it under the name of Magh Bihu. Punjab, it is celebrated as Lohri. And Gujarat, Makar Sankranti, or the northern part of India, Uttarayana, Makar Sankranti, various other names, kite festival. So you can see the beauty of India in it. See how we think we are so different from each other, but भले ही नाम अलग अलग है, but knowledge, culture, tradition, जो information है, जो science है उसके पीछे, वो सबकी एक है. तो भले ही we find each and every culture in India as diverse, but we are still united. So happy Makar Sankranti to you guys and have a blast.